Hello everyone, here is a guide on how to access Facebook Marketplace on your iPhone device. You open your Facebook app and log in. Once you are logged in, you will see several options at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Marketplace icon. You are now in Facebook Marketplace. Here you can browse items for sale, search for specific items using the search bar at the top, and explore different categories. So let's click on the categories. Use the categories to narrow down your search. Tap on any item to see more details, including photos, description, prices, and the seller's information. You can also filter by location, price, range, and item conditions. You can filter by price and any condition. If you're interested in any item, you just can click on the item. You can also contact the seller by tapping on the message button, where you can ask questions or negotiate price. If you also want to list an item for sale, you can do that here too. To list an item for sale, you tap on the sell button, usually at the top of the Marketplace screen. So this is the sell button at the top of the Marketplace screen. You tap on it and you follow the prompts to create your listing. That is it. Now you have successfully accessed Facebook Marketplace and can now buy or sell items. See you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.